In a world where we are now, where technology has become normal, CIOs should be superstars. They should be the rock stars of organizations. I think CIOs have been in a position in the past where they didn't think it was their role to actually take their company on that journey towards transformation. I think this is the time to really do that, because if we want to make sure that the role of the CIO is more than it is today, that we can reinvent ourselves as CIOs, I think it's crucial. CIOs today should take the opportunity that disruption is a reality.
I see a big change in the sense that IT used to be very much linked to the more business support parts of the company, so very much linked to ensuring that you had good ERP systems, that you had good HR systems, and working closely to those areas of the business. Within the last years, we've seen huge difference in the sense that we are very much more connected to the what we call the value chain.
But now in almost every organization, technology becomes a strategic weapon. The relationship with customers, building data-driven organization, and then even more, fundamental shifts in business models, which are the result of technology. So customers, markets, organizations, and business models, this is a huge opportunity for CIOs to go from a more operational to a much more strategic role inside any company.
Take a look at Bank of America, for example. They have more software developers than Microsoft. And every company is making sure that they staff up and have that core competency in-house because it's so integral to their business. And the CIOs that don't understand that are usually pushed aside because they're not critical to the business. And eventually an executive management team or a board starts asking the questions, where is our digital presence? What is our mobile strategy? What are we doing with our data? And if you can't answer those questions and put solutions in place that enhance a business, I think you get to be on the outside of a management team, not on the inside of a management team.
With regards to innovation in a company like ours, I think the benefit that IT has is that we touch every part of the business. We can very much easily build relationships across other areas and try to connect people and ideas in new ways.
This is the time for the CIO to assume that leadership role in rethinking the strategic options where technology becomes a huge asset for many companies.